Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove your Mastercard from your PS4. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to turn on your PS4 and make sure to log into the account where the Mastercard is saved. Navigate to settings. From the main menu, go to settings. You can find a settings icon on the top menu bar of your PS4 dashboard. Scroll down in the settings menu and select account management. Within account management, choose account information. In the account information menu, select a wallet. Under the wallet section, choose payment methods. This will display all the payment methods associated with your PS4 account. And then find the Mastercard you would want to remove from the list of payment methods and select it. Look for the option to delete or remove the Mastercard. This might be labeled as delete, remove, or something similar. Confirm that you want to delete the Mastercard from your PS4 account. You may need to enter your PSN account password to complete this step. After confirming, double check to ensure the Mastercard has been successfully removed from your PS4. And I've got some additional tips here. So if you encounter any issues or are unable to remove the Mastercard using these steps, ensure your PS4 software is up to date. Sometimes what happens is system updates can affect menu options and functionality. Also, for further assistance, you can also visit the PlayStation support website or contact their customer service.